What if I told you that the secret to building wealth isn't about picking the next big stock or timing the market perfectly? What if the smartest investment strategy is the simplest one? John C. Bogle, the legendary founder of Vanguard and creator of the first index fund, reveals in the Little Book of Common Sense Investing that true wealth doesn't come from complexity. It comes from sticking to the basics. Let's dive into the timeless wisdom that has helped millions achieve financial success. Most of us are overwhelmed by the endless advice on investing. Should you chase hot stocks, follow the latest trends, or trust the so-called experts? The result? Anxiety, confusion, and often losses. Bogle's message is clear. You don't need to be an expert. You just need common sense and a long-term strategy that works. This book is your guide to cutting through the noise and focusing on what really matters. Did you know that over 85% of actively managed funds fail to beat the market over time? That means most investors are paying high fees for underperformance. But Bogle discovered a better way. When he launched the first index fund in 1976, critics called it Bogle's folly. But today, index funds are the foundation of many successful portfolios, proving that simplicity often wins in the long run. Key point 1. The power of index funds. Bogle's core philosophy is this: instead of trying to beat the market, own the market. Index funds do exactly that. They track the performance of the entire market, giving you diversified exposure with minimal effort. Index funds outperform most actively managed funds over time. They have lower fees, which means more money stays in your pocket. They reduce risk by spreading your investments across hundreds or thousands of companies. It's not about taking big risks. It's about letting the market's natural growth work for you. Key point 2. The cost of fees. Here's a shocking truth. High fees can destroy your wealth. Even a 1 to 2% annual fee might sound small, but over decades, it can eat up hundreds of thousands of dollars in your portfolio. A low-cost index fund, like the ones pioneered by Bogle, minimizes fees and maximizes returns. Compound interest works best when fees don't drag it down. Every dollar you save on fees is a dollar that keeps growing for you. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine spending just a few minutes a year maintaining your portfolio and knowing it's performing better than 90% of professional investors. That's the power of simplicity. Key point 3. Long-term thinking. Bogle emphasizes patience. The market will go up and down, but over time, it has consistently grown. The key is to stay invested and avoid emotional reactions. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict consistently. Stick to your plan, even during downturns. Focus on the long-term horizon, not short-term noise. The market rewards patience. The longer you stay invested, the greater your chances of success. Key point 4. The myth of stock picking. Bogle debunks one of the biggest myths in investing, that you or anyone else can reliably pick the best stocks. Most stock pickers underperform the market. Even professional fund managers rarely beat index funds. The energy spent chasing winners is better spent on consistent, disciplined investing. Bogle's advice? Don't waste your time trying to find a needle in a haystack. Just buy the haystack. Key point 5. Why time in the market beats timing the market. One of Bogle's most powerful lessons is this: time in the market beats timing the market. Trying to jump in and out to catch the highs and avoid the lows almost always leads to worse results. Start investing as early as possible to let compound growth work its magic. Stay invested, even when the market feels uncertain. The market's short-term volatility is noise. The long-term trend is your friend. Take immediate action. So, where do you begin? Start by looking into low-cost index funds, like those offered by Vanguard or other trusted providers. If you're not investing yet, open a brokerage account today. If you are, review your portfolio for unnecessary fees. Remember, the key to building wealth isn't about chasing trends or listening to hype. It's about consistent, disciplined investing in a way that aligns with Bogle's timeless principles. The beauty of the little book of common sense investing is in its simplicity. Bogle's wisdom is a reminder that anyone can build wealth if they follow a simple, proven path. If this resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Let's build a community of smart investors who are rewriting their financial stories. And remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. Are you ready to invest in your future the smart way?